Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to select multiple elements in Canva and group them. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can add elements. We can add image first. I go to uploads and then we can use upload files button to upload image. Or we can use the image we uploaded before. I will use this and I put it to here. Next, we can add elements. We can add shapes. We can go to elements and shapes, choose it, and then we can go to basic shape. I choose square. Now I click and drag to here, and then I change the color. Next, we can go to add text box. I click text, and sorry, I should deselect the shape, and then add the new text box, and I enlarge it, and I put it here. Double click and go to press Ctrl A to select all and start to type. For example, I type text box and I enlarge it and put it to here. Now we have three elements: the text box, the image, and the shape. Now, if we want to make a multiple selection, we can click to select one of them and then press Shift to select the second and left mouse button click to select the third. So we can make a multiple selection. If we want to group it, we can find the group button here, group, and click again to ungroup. Alternative, we can go to the three dots menu, we can find the same option, the group here. Actually, we can use shortcut Ctrl G to group elements. I click it, and also we can use the shortcuts Ctrl Shift G to ungroup. This is the first way. The second way, we can go to layers. We can press position, and then we can go to position panel to find the layers. So we can find the elements here. We can make a multiple selection. I use Shift to make a multiple selection, and then use right click, and we can find the same option to group them together. So we can see the group and see the elements in the group. If we want to ungroup it, we can select the group and use right click to ungroup it. So I group it, and then we can group them together and move them, and we can rotate, and also we can scale it together. So this is how we can select multiple elements in Canva and group them together. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.